Hi guys, and welcome to DIY Ideas, and welcome to a new really cute pattern tutorial. It's a little bit like granny style with a whole pattern. We have double crochets kind of in packs of 3. We have big holes in here, and I did this with my really nice color fade wool that I will show you in a minute in a little more detail with my number 6 crocheting hook. Just a great pattern for summer. I'm going to show you now the details. Have fun! Okay guys, so I'm going to show you this really cute pattern here today in Riverton yarn. I bought this at Action a few weeks ago. 60% acrylic, 40% polyester, 150 grams, and 240 meters long. This is meant for size 4.5 crocheting hooks, but I do enjoy using a slightly bigger one here, and I use my size 6. Okay, so this is a color fade wool, kind of like rainbow colors, but there's no yellows actually. It goes from green to orange. And then here we are at this kind of like purple color, and then it has, another thread that's white. I'm going to start here with a multiple of 5 for my base, and so I'm going to do 15 chain stitches. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, then I will add 4 additional chain stitches for the border, like that. So you can make that longer or shorter depending on what you're trying to do. You just have to add or subtract 4. Okay, I'm going to skip the first 5 stitches here, and I'll go back and do double crochets. Okay, through 2, and then again. In total, I'm going to do 3 double crochets here into this one stitch. Okay, so I've done these now. Then I'm going to pull a little more thread here. As you can see, the thread is already getting a lot darker here, so it has a really nice color fade. I'm adding 2 chain stitches here, and then add another double crochet into the same stitch. Then I will skip 4, and now you can see where I have the structure of 5. So we're going into every 5th stitch, and here I will do the exact same pattern again. So 3 double crochets, 2 chain stitches, and another double crochet. So 3, 2, 1 structure. And then we will skip another 4 chain stitches. So it's skip 4, and then we do the same pattern again. 3 double crochets, 2 chain stitches, and 1 double crochet. So 3, then 2, then 1. And then we have 3 stitches left. I'm going to go into the very last one here and add another double crochet. And now our base of 5 is ready. So we always have 3 double crochets, 2 chain stitches, 1 double crochet, and then we skip 4, and then we do the same pattern all over again. And then here on the outside we have skipped 5 stitches at the beginning, 3 for height and 2 for distance. And it's the same on the other side. Okay. And then we continue with the next row. So I will start here with 3 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3. And turn it all around. And now I will always go around the chain stitches here in the middle that we added. And I will add exactly what I was adding in 1 chain stitch before. So 3 double crochets, 2 chain stitches, and another double crochet. The 2 chain stitches obviously are already the area that we will leave for the next row. So that's where we go in the next round. Okay, so we can kind of see that they are kind of offset here, so between the first row and the second row. So that is where we are creating these hole patterns. Yeah, so below it was like, you know, the 3 double crochets on one side, and now it's on the other side. Okay, double crochet, third double crochet, 2 chain stitches, and another double crochet. Then we continue, double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, chain stitch, and another double crochet. Okay, now we have 3 of these packs, and you can really see the color fade here really nicely already. And here we add another double crochet for the border, and then this row is done as well. I'm going to show you one more row here. So again, we start with 3 chain stitches, take some more wool, and then continue going around the chain stitches of the row before. And then we start again with 3 double crochets, then 2 chain stitches, and another double crochet. Here again, chain stitch, double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, chain stitch, here they are, and one more double crochet. You can see now we have them exactly how we had them in the first row. And then we continue, double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, chain stitch, and another double crochet. Then we have our double crochet for the border, and then we're done with this row as well. As you can see here, this is a really nice hole pattern, just really nice and even. We have this nice change in here, but yeah, it's not boring at all. And I really like how you can see the colors here. Yeah, I think it's really nice when the color fades are not super quick. But yeah, I'm going to continue crocheting a little bit, and I'll give you an update in a little while what it looks like in 3 or 4 rows. Alright, and here's my update for you. You can see here how this is really progressing super nicely. You have a little bit of variations because the holes, kind of meander. And you have these really nice, openings here that makes everything really nice and light and loose, and it's great for summer. And I really hope that you guys liked this tutorial. If you did, then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, hopefully I will see you guys back here at DIY Ideas next time. Alright, bye guys!